And today, special thanks to our friends at Supcase, who were nice enough to send us this Unicorn Beetle Pro case for the Google Pixel 10/Pixel 10 Pro. Let's open this up and see what we get here. Nothing else in the box. And slide this one out. Foam warranty card in the case. So first we'll take this off, where we have the included belt clip from Supcase. Now this can rotate and turn any direction. One of my favorite features of Supcase cases. Then we have a nice little instruction pamphlet on how to assemble it, and then of course the case itself. So take this one off. This is the case. You can see the bottom has the protector for the USB-C port, as well as your speaker grills, buttons on the side, little Supcase logo but not very noticeable, the UB Pro on the back, cutout for the camera module, and some nice little textures here on the side to grip it. One of my favorite features of Supcase cases is the included kickstand. I use this daily on my current phone, and you can just pop it out to watch your video horizontally or vertically. And then when you're done, you can just pop that right back down out of your way. Now to take this case apart and put it together, you would essentially start here at the bottom to take it apart, and then you're able to pull off the front part here. Then you have the back and the front. Foam. And now here's the front of the case. Now as you can see, this is an entire screen protector. There's no holes or anything. Your fingerprint will go through here to be used, and I would recommend, if you've already set up your fingerprints, set it up once you put this case on. Just makes you have a better experience. Now to put this case on your phone, just start here, buttons first. Put your phone in this way and pop this onto the front screen. Then this will be on your phone, and then you take your entire phone and pop it in here. I start at the top like so, and then work my way down and around to this corner. But essentially, this is what you would get with this Unicorn Beetle Pro Pixel 10 case. Now, thanks again to my friends over at Supcase who were nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next unboxing. Deuces.